Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a dazzling treat in store for you. I'll be showing you how to create a stunning black fondant jewelry stand cake. Let's get started. Start by baking your cakes. Once cooled, level them and stack them using a layer of buttercream in between each layer. Trim your 4-inch circle cake. Apply buttercream in between and stack them. Apply a coat of buttercream by the sides and on the top and scrape to smoothen the sides and the top. Once that is done, put in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. Smoothen the sides of your 8-inch heart cake and stack the 4-inch circle cake over it. Next, you want to insert bubble straws to lend support to the cake. Insert your straws and ensure they are the same level with the cake. Trim to the same level of the cake. Then apply buttercream to the top again. After that is done, roll out a large piece of black fondant on a clean powdered surface. Use the rolling pin to achieve an even thickness. Once rolled out, carefully drape the black fondant over the stacked cake. Gently smooth it down using your hands and then a fondant smoother to create a flawless finish. Trim off any excess fondant using a sharp knife. With your extruder, roll out a thin rope and attach to the top and base of your jewelry stand. Then attach the rope vertically to the base. Using your bead mold, make beads to resemble your jewelry. You may choose to design it as you desire. I have used it to make 2 strands of beads necklace. And then create roses using your rose mold. Place the roses at any spot you desire. Secure them in place with a little bit of edible glue. Attach earrings using the bead mold and the rose mold. To enhance the elegance of this cake, you can add some gold accents. Use a small brush and gold edible paint to create decorative pattern on the beads and the roses. And there you have it, your black fondant jewelry cake. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.